Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start chapter number 9, nutrition. And our today's topic is nutrition, nutrients and mode of nutrition. So let's start with nutrients. Students, nutrients are the essential components that our body needs in order to grow and stay healthy. And these components are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Student nutrients help living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair the damaged parts of the bodies, and to provide energy to carry out life processes. So, the processes by which organisms obtain and use the nutrients required for maintaining life is called nutrition. And we can also say that the study of nutrients in food, how the body uses nutrients, and the relationship between diet, health, and disease is called nutrition. Students, there are two ways of obtaining nutrients. So, the two processes by which energy or nutrients are prepared or obtained are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is further divided into three categories, which are Holozoic nutrition, Saprophytic nutrition, and Parasitic nutrition. Now we will see all these modes in detail. So first of all, we have autotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which organisms make their own food, complex organic substances using simpler or inorganic substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Students, the term autotroph is derived from two Greek words autos means self, and troph means nutrition. So, in autotrophic nutrition, an organism makes its own food from simpler raw material, and such organisms are called autotrophs. Their examples are green plants, and the processes are photosynthesis and chemosynthesis. These are the two processes by which plants make their own food. That's why they are called producer. Next we have heterotrophic nutrition. This is the mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own organic material, that is food, but depends on other organisms or dead organic matter for food sources required for growth and energy. Students, the word heterotroph is derived from two Greek words. Heteros means other and trophs means nutrition. Unlike autotrophs, which manufacture their own food, heterotrophic organisms obtain food from other organisms. As heterotrophs depend on other organisms for their food, they are also called consumers. All animals, non-green plants like fungi come under this category. So the examples are animals and humans. Students, the consumer which consume herbs and other plants are called herbivores, and those which consume animals are called carnivores. After taking complex organic material as food, heterotrophs break them into simpler molecules with the help of biological catalysts, that is enzymes, and utilize them for their own metabolism. So, depending upon the mode of living and mode of intake of food, heterotrophs may be parasitic, saprophytic, and holozoic. Now we will see Holozoic nutrition. The nutrition in which complex organic substances are ingested without being decomposed or degraded, means without being broken down, followed by the digestion with enzymes, is called Holozoic nutrition. Students, in Holozoic nutrition, complex organic substances are ingested without being broken down. After intake, this food is digested by enzymes produced in the body. After digestion, the digested food is absorbed into the body and the undigested food is expelled out of the body. This kind of nutrition is found mainly in non-parasitic animals, simple ones like amoeba and complex ones like human beings. Next we have saprophytic nutrition or saprophytism. So the mode of nutrition in which organisms feed on dead or decaying organism or non-living organic matter. Students, the saprophytic organism or saprotrophs derive their food from dead or decaying organic material. This mode of nutrition is called saprophytic nutrition. They secrete enzymes that are released on food material outside their body. These enzymes break down complex food into simpler forms. Their examples are fungi or bacteria. Students, one of the most common example of saprophytes is mucor, which is also called bread mold. The rhizoids of bread mold release enzymes onto the bread. The enzymes digest complex organic molecules in bread into simpler and soluble molecules. Then the digested products are absorbed by the rhizoid into the mucor's body. In this way, saprophyte decomposes the organic material. That's why they are also called decomposers, and the decomposers are very integral part of our environment. They allow essential materials, for example carbon and nitrogen, to be recycled in the ecosystem. Then the third mode of nutrition is parasitic nutrition, which is also called parasitism. The mode of nutrition in which organisms, parasites, obtain organic compounds from another living organism of a different species, that is called host, in a way that the host is harmed and the parasite is benefited, is called parasitic nutrition. Student, in parasitic nutrition, the organisms or parasite live on or inside other living organism, which is called host, and obtain their food from them. The host does not get any benefit from the parasite. This mode of nutrition is called parasitic nutrition. Here we have some examples of parasite in which we have akash bale, tapeworm, cassitha, and leech. Moreover, hookworms, tapeworms are also parasites. So students, today we are done with the nutrition and modes of nutrition, in which we have studied about autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, and the three types of heterotrophic nutrition. I hope you all have got it. Meet you with next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.